if you keep getting the error, Spotify can't play this right now, if you have it on your computer, you can try and import it. You want to fix that, then you're in the right place. I'm Trent from Matthew Haven, and I'm here to help. So if you're using like something like the InZone Hub from Sony to modify sounds on your computer, and you're running Spotify through that, and you're getting this issue, something you can try is to hit the Windows key, go to Control Panel. Now we're going to go to Hardware and Sound. From here, you can go to this Manage Audio Devices here. Might take a sec to open. Just give that a click. And next, you're going to get a pop-up with all your audio devices. So I'm going to use my headphones as an example. We're going to right-click, go down here to Properties. So here, we're going to have a few options. We want to go to Enhancements. And we're going to select all the enhancements that we see here. Hit Apply. Hit OK. Hit OK again. Now just open up Spotify and find your favorite song or whatever you're trying to play and see if that fixes the issue. If that helped, drop a like, leave a comment. You know what to do. Peace.